Hearing is resumed. So, Comsec, is it ready? Kung hindi ready, we will proceed with the next agenda. Is it ready? Okay. So technical, please play the clip.
I say I shoot them dead. I prefer to shoot them. Kaya may order rin sa niya sa shoot to kill. Wala akong pakialam dyan sa iyo, magagawa. I don't give a shit kung anong gusto nilang sabihin. I killed about 3 of them because there were 3 of them. I didn't really know how many bullets from my gun went through inside their bodies, but it happened. I say I shoot them dead. I prefer to shoot them in the heart or in the head. If you insist on a drug war, I will kill you.
8 bisis siya pumatay ng tao. Tagang parang masaya siya basta may namamatay na tao. Yan ang habit niya.
Kasi yung pinatay ko, medyo nag-ano rin yun eh. May galit rin yun sila sa akin.
Ang nasamahan ko dyan yung sa pagkapatay, paglilibing. Siguro mga 300 plus katao yung nalibing ko.
Until the last pusher is out of the streets. Until the last drug lord is killed. Talagang papatayin kita.
The whole Davao Death Squad network was used as Mayor Rodrigo Roa Duterte's personal killing machine.
Kakinurap mo yan kung sinong sunduin kita ng helicopter papuntang Manila, tatapon kita sila.
They took advantage of our blind loyalty to him and our greed for money to promote and protect his personal and political interests.
I will assume full legal responsibility. Kaya ang human rights, ako ang magharap niyan, hindi naman kayo.
All of our targets were killed based solely on the intel information and orders given by Mayor Rodrigo Roa Duterte himself.
Ang kasalanan ko lang, yung mga extrajudicial killing.
It's not a dog, my son. It's not a dog or a pig to kill like them.
Siya ang pinaka-protector ng mga drug lord dito sa Pilipinas. Basic example niyan is si Michael Yang at si Alan Lim.
Sinasabi ko, I can clean it in 6 months. And after that, I realized na nagkamali talaga ako. Kaya siya ang pinaka-lord of all the drug lords.
Okay, sige po. Salamat. So, we will now proceed with the next agenda. May we recognize Congressman Acop, our Vice Chair, to please discuss the ground rules for today's